Okay, so today's lesson is about scientific notation. You're going to need to be able to convert between standard form and scientific notation. Scientific notation, all that is, it's multiplying a number that is greater than or equal to 1 by a number that is a power of 10. It's a way to express really big numbers or really small numbers. So here's some examples down here. You can see this number is between 1 and 10. This is a power of 10. Notice that we can also use negative exponents if we want to express really small numbers. Okay? So let's take a look at some examples. This number here, again, a number that is between 1 and 10 and a power of 10. Okay? Now, if I'm going to write this in standard form, this is going to tell me, first of all, 10 to the negative 1/6 power really means, if you remember from yesterday, it's 1 over 10 to the 6th power. 1 with 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one is actually 1 million. You don't need to worry about that. Here's the shortcut. This is going to tell you what direction to move the decimal. This is going to be a very small number. So if I'm looking at this, I'm going to say, okay, I got to move this number to the left if I'm making it small. This number to the left is 6 spaces. So I'm going to say, I'm going to write these numbers, and then I'm going to move to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to put my decimal right here, so that my number is going to be that. Now if I'm going to do that in reverse, that means I'm going to take this number and I got to write it, I have to express it in terms of a number that's between 1 and 10 and a power of 10. So I'm going to write this 7. That's a number between 1 and 10. And then I've got to figure out how I'm going to get this decimal to where it needs to be. Again, it's going to be something that's less than 1, so I'm going to have a negative exponent. So I'm going to say, okay, this number, I've got to get it over here. 1, 2, 3. So it's 10 to the negative 3rd power. Down here, notice, since this is a power of 10, it's going to be, and it's a positive exponent, that means it's going to be a very large number. So again, negative numbers are going to be very small numbers, like this. Positive exponents are going to be very large numbers. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to have to move it 5 places. So 7. I have my 8, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can put commas in here. So this is going to be 786,000. Alright? Down here, really large number, which means I'm going to have a positive exponent. So I'm going to write a number between 1 and 10. Now where do you think that is? It's going to be between the 2 and the 8. If I put it after that, it would be 28. That's bigger than 10. If I put it before the 2, that's less than 1. I have to have 2 and 8/10. And then I'm going to count. How many places do I have to move the decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Times 10 to the 9th power. So that's a really quick overview on how to convert between standard form and scientific notation, and between scientific notation and standard form.